Okay. Okay. Guys, have you ever actually genuinely proper looked into space? Not just space, maybe more specifically like black holes, right? Have you ever genuinely have you ever actually spent time and looked into them, how they work and what they are? Because if you haven't, I will pay you to do it. I will pay you to go and have a look. I think your life will change. The moment you understand how they work and what they do, they bend time. They bend they bend the laws of physics. It's so fucking ridiculously incredible. Like, I've known about them all my life, black holes, but now actually understanding how they work, how do people not care about this? Seriously, what the fuck? How can you not find this so interesting? Okay, I'm really bad at soaking in new information sometimes, unless it's to do with Pokemon, so bear with me, but there's an accretion disk, there's an event horizon, and there's talk of dimensions and how they work. So I didn't realise time and space were two different functions of like the same thing. They're both like in the same family, okay? Time I thought was automatic and it's just the order of events, but it's not that at all. So time goes in one direction and it just keeps on going that way at this time that we're used to, and space does the same. It travels at the speed of light in like the visual direction, in the world direction, okay? So everything's ever expanding, everything exists. Time and space are working so in sync and perfectly for us here on Earth that we can live. We can deal with this. This is not too hard to deal with. Okay. Then, what if I tell you that these things that we have that we're used to, like space and time working in sync together, that doesn't work at all in a black hole. So that's what a black hole is. It does the opposite. It's like it almost swaps them around. Time, I don't want to like say exactly what it does in a black hole because I don't know if I've got this correct, and I feel like an idiot if I get more knowledge on it and I look back at this video. But I think it's something like, as you're falling into the black hole, you see the time for you looking outwards just goes quick, I guess, to the extent that you see the entire future of the universe from trillions and trillions of years as you're falling into this black hole. But when someone's looking at you going into the black hole, you kind of just freeze at some point. I'm pretty sure. Like, you go so slow that it looks like you stopped. In that time where you're stopped, I don't know how long it feels to your body. Like, because to your mind, obviously, to the real world, or to the real universe, you're stuck there for trillions of years, I think. And in your head, it's going by like really quick. Because time isn't a thing anymore. You just freeze. Is this not really interesting? Like how time is like something we can't see, but it becomes a physical like problem. It becomes a wall in this black hole. It kind of, time stops here and you fall into that stoppage. But then there's something that happens in a black hole where you turn into a singularity, or you go into a singularity, or you go into the singularity. I don't know what that refers to, right? But I think you get compressed down into, by the word singularity, like one speck of an atom or a particle, I assume. And I guess once this vacuum fills up, eating all these planets, rocks, moons, stars, whatever, once it fills up to the brim, it's going to have to spill, or it's going to have to explode. I don't see, this is the beauty of it for me. I've just really got into it. Like, I've just been captivated by this idea that time can bend, and that time becomes like almost like a more physical thing you can almost see. You can look just in front of you and see that time is broken there. Time breaking, like, come on, this is so interesting. I can't wait to learn more about these things, because there was a supermassive black hole discovered 2 days ago by chance, right? I was looking at black holes like a week ago, getting really into them, and then like 2-3 days ago, the biggest supermassive quasar whatever has been discovered, and it's like 500 trillion times brighter than the sun. It took 16 billion years to even reach us, for us to even see it. Whereas from 16 billion years ago or something, like, it's just out of this world. It's just so, literally, it is. It's just, I'm so excited. I'm about to embark on my fucking space journey, man. That's, do you know when you're at a point where you're like, right, when you go on your phone, you're like, I don't know what to listen to. I'm getting quite bored of all these genres. Like, but I don't. Everything new that I'm trying, I don't enjoy. And you're desperate to find something new to fall in love with, right? If you have that feeling for videos or for just content, YouTube, whatever, please have a look at how black holes work. Just watch a few videos, a few quick 5-10 minute videos on how they work and why they work and stuff like that. You will be so interested, I think, unless you're like, I don't know, unless you watch like Joe Weller or something, or like Zoella, or watch like, I don't know, makeup videos or something. Maybe it's not for you, but okay. Anyone? INTJ, INTP, ENTP. I don't know. Anyone? Probably all the N's, to be fair. But yeah, INFP might have a bit of enjoyment out of that. Have a look at how black holes work, honestly. Just trust me, I mean, you don't have to like black holes, but you've got to fucking love them.